All right, everybody, how's it going? Hope I caught everybody in a good mood this morning. Good morning, wake up, feeling good. Got my panda on, you know what I'm saying? Today, I figure we could do some braid action with this dirty, messy, curly hair we got going on. But I do not know what kind of braid action I want to have. I'm lost. That's what happens. You wake up, you gotta make something up. Maybe like an updo, because it's still kind of curly. It's still kind of like okay. We can make something happen in this hair, right? Messy. We'll put a little base here. Then we'll figure out where we want to braid from. Maybe we could just like do some braids. That's the whole important thing of hairstyling. You don't always have to have a plan. Sometimes the unplanned things are the best things ever. And when you can't braid your hair because it's giving you grief, a little braid here. I'm gonna puff it up. Just go through and pull it. Then we'll bring that braid this way. Pin it in. So let's do one over here. Well, let's just bring this hair in and back and pin that hair in. We'll probably just do the famous messy bun at the bottom, or maybe to the side. That might look cute to the side. Let's braid this because we all know blonde hair braids better because you can see it. If you got some dimension in your hair, you are one lucky braided gal. When you got blonde and different colors. Look like a little candy braid. Pull it out. And we'll just pull it back and pin it in. And I don't ever know. Like, I don't do these styles before. I just make them up on the fly. Put a braid in over here. I try to get equal parts. Sometimes that doesn't work out for me. Put this braid in. And puff it out. And we will put that over here. This is looking so cute, I must say. Let's just pin this part back. So every updo that I do is all about having that base, because then you know where you're gonna put everything in. It's all about that base. That should be my hair song, right? that little braid. Put it back. Okay. And we're doing messy buns. We just twist and put this hair in on the sides. We just pull up this hair, twist it around. Or we're gonna put it to the side. I forget sometimes, you gotta keep me in check. Running out of bobby pins. Alright, doing our little messy bun to the side. Now you can keep your hair down in the front. Because we're going to the side anyways. It helps out in the style. Here we go. Got some braid. Hope it looks okay back there. Because you know, I never look. I don't care. It's supposed to be messy and up. I hope you guys like this style. Throw anything in. Throw some braids. Throw some curls. Throw some swoop. Throw some pins. Throw some rubber bands. I don't know. Throw anything in your hair, okay? Some flowers. A little cute flower right there. Woo! Looking fancy, and people won't know. It only took 7 minutes for you to throw your hair up, throw some braids in. They think you went to the salon and did it, and you're a freaking hair genius. And we can all be hair geniuses. You can just throw it up and style it. Make it up. Do whatever. Just do something, please. Even if your braid's hanging down, I don't care. Try it, do it, style it, feel good. We're gonna do it. We're gonna look beautiful. All right, everybody, all across the world, doing their hair and looking good. That's what it's all about. 365 days. Let's do this. Thank you for watching. Like the video, like it, subscribe, tell your friends. Let's get it together in this year. All right, nice seeing you. Bye-bye.